Oh, look at this. Some avocados, 58 cents each. Hiro, this is really cheap. You know that?
I'm looking for the $5 piece of avocado.
They don't have it here though. You got these are cheap, Hiro.
Get some, right?
Yeah, let's get some. Any soft ones?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this, Hiro. What do you have here?
Robusta.
What's the price on this?
$14.78.
$14.78 for 2 towels, so like $7.25.
That's good.
Okay. Nice. They look pretty nice, Hiro. What's the price on that?
$11.87.
$4.87 too? $11.87. Sorry. Okay. They look pretty good. Let me tell you. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We are back from Walmart. As you can see, let's go through the ingredients here. Let's show them what we're going to make today.
Yeah, we got here's a lobster
Okay.
and scallops.
Right.
And we have avocado. So these 3 items we got from the Walmart.
Yeah, let's talk about this real quick. Now, the lobster tail, as you can see here, was like $14.78, just under $15 for 2 pieces. Yes, and the sea scallops here, as you see, they were $11.87 for this whole package. You know, that is a lot. One of the best deals though is these house avocados, 58 cents a piece. Normally you buy them for double that, like $1.25 each. That's what I paid yesterday at Publix. But anyway, Hiro, I know we're gonna try and make like a gourmet style roll from products from Walmart.
Walmart's a little bit upgrade.
Okay, because you know we're tired of eating the crab, you know, the fake crab meat and all that. We kind of made it last time. You can buy smoked salmon anywhere, but if you're lucky like we were, find some good products. Okay, what else, Hiro? Let's talk about it. What else do you have?
And of course, I'm gonna make a sushi today.
Okay.
So I already made the sushi rice here,
All right.
and I'm gonna make a tempura. So tempura powder, and this is another tempura powder here too.
Okay.
And the scallion, and sriracha, and the kimchi sauce,
Okay.
and salt and pepper, and here's a spicy mayo. This is we made it a recipe.
A little masago as well.
Oh yeah, masago there.
Yeah, it's hiding back there.
Yeah, so we're gonna put it together, this one.
Right. So obviously Walmart doesn't have everything.
Yeah, and I don't get this one, I don't get this one, this
Yeah.
things I don't get.
But they have scallions, masago.
Yeah, of course
I did not see.
They have a scallion.
Now, if the people want to do it at home, but they can't find Timbora flour, they can use soft rice and flour, right? And add some cornstarch to it. Maybe?
Cornstarch, all-purpose, and the egg.
It's
And
amazing.
that's a mix of everything
Okay.
to make it.
All right, Hiro, let's do it. What's the first step?
Just slice up a little bit smaller, so then easy to cook. After that, I'm gonna chop up everything. So if this is a sushi grade, you can eat the raw. Water is started boiling. I'm gonna put in these things into the pot. Like that. And put in ice water now. Okay, next step, robusta. Taking it out. I'm gonna use a scissor on the side. Now. Take a little bit water out. This size a little bit small.
Yeah. But both packages were the same price, $14.78.
Yeah.
So
Take the vein out. Vein out. This one I'm gonna cut into the half and put the skewer piece. Maybe I'm gonna do 3 meats in one roll.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is a little bit small, right? Maybe I'm gonna put one skewer this one. Smaller than the other one, so go like that. Then I put the salt and pepper. Put on the paper towel, take water out. Okay, I'm gonna make spicy scallops. A little bit salt, black pepper, and then spicy mayo. This is my original recipe, spicy mayo. Yeah. And I'm gonna add a little more kimchi and sriracha, making a little bit more spicy. And then a little bit of masago and scallion. Okay, now I'm gonna make a tempura lobster. The flour first. Then butter.
Oh, it's a nice big piece here.
Yeah. This is a little bit smaller than the other one, so I'm gonna go for one piece in the skewer. Looks good, looking good. Almost. This is a nice meat, you know.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice
Man.
one.
Let me tell you what, this lobster tail from Walmart, I'm a firm believer. Can't imagine. Some really, really good products there, as you guys saw. Let's take a look at this real quick. Ooh,
Oh,
it's
it's
hot.
hot.
Yeah, hotter than I can talk.
It's another iguana bite. Okay.
Let's take a look at this. For those of you who say Walmart is only cheap products and nothing else, let me tell you what, go check these lobster tails out. Under $15 for 2 pieces. That is a deal. Okay, Hiro-san, what is the next step?
Next step, I'm gonna quick take off the skewer out.
It's hot, be careful.
It's getting it's cooling down.
Yeah.
Skewer gonna be stuck. You know,
That's
it's
true.
hard to take out the meat
Okay.
out. So I know.
How did you do that so quick?
Okay.
Okay,
Just like that.
just like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I keep in here, everything here like this.
Wow, you guys, your mouth is watering right now. Take a look at this. We could have bought the rice, also nori
Mm.
from Walmart. You guys saw from one of our earlier videos.
You see the nori at the Walmart?
Yeah, they have it. Remember we saw last time, but we decided not to get it. Oh, actually, maybe we did
was
get
it?
it. I don't remember. Yeah,
Mm.
that nori there. So everything you see here can actually be bought and done at Walmart. You even make your own spicy mayo.
Okay, go like that. Then avocado.
58 cents an avocado hero.
I haven't touched avocado in a long time.
Yeah,
It's good.
looks good, right? Yeah.
Avocado and the meats. Wow, big
Big piece, right?
piece. I'm gonna make a small one here, and the I'm gonna cut this piece in half. The knife, like that, and then put it here.
Wow,
What do you think?
that looks beautiful.
Good.
Oh yeah.
All right. Looking good, looking good. We're gonna make big bites.
Big mouthful.
Yeah. It's a huge bite.
Right?
We used to have a, do you remember the name of the roll? Opera Tower roll.
Opera Tower roll. Well, we made one with the lobster just
Yeah.
maybe a couple months ago.
Yeah.
Very similar to this one.
Yeah.
That was with a homemade lobster. All right, take a look at these products. Delicious, amazing, and beautiful. I never thought Walmart had these lobster tails so cheap, so inexpensive. Hiro-san, are you excited?
Yeah. Tasting parts.
Tasting part's going to be one heck of a
Yeah.
tasting part.
Yeah.
Now, if you guys can find a Walmart close to you that's got these products, try and make it at home. Very, very simple. And that's pretty much it. Join us in the tasting part coming up.
Today I have
Like-
a body to taste it.
Oh, yeah, for sure. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, tag us on Instagram. We'll leave information down below so we can share it with everyone. And thank you so much. I am so looking forward to the zero. Okay.
See you next time.
All right, bye-bye.
Hey, tasting parts.
Okay.
Hey, today I have a body. Hey,
Hey,
Come on in.
domo.
Mr. Watanabe.
Welcome back to the channel, Mr.
どうもありがとう
Watanabe.
ございます。Thank you very much for
Yes.
kind invitation.
うん。じゃあ今日は食べてもらいましょう。はい。
Enjoy it. We want to know what you think of this roll. Please tell us. And that looks like a
このビッ
huge
グバイトだ
roll.
けね、ヒューチロールよ。これね。うん。
Must be so delicious. I know you haven't eaten anything all day right now. What time is it, Hiro?
3。
3 o'clock.
うん。
That means it's good.
いや、
You look like a
Conductor.
director, a concert orchestra director.
So good.
So good, right?
Yeah.
Now you're a sushi chef now too, so let me tell you what, you can make this at Doraku.
He is different. So gorgeous.
Right? The food, right? Look at this. Oh my goodness, I gotta try this too. All right.
Big bite, big bite.
That is a big bite. It's a huge bite. Take a look. Hiro, enjoy.
Yes.
Cheers.
Yes.
Take a look.
Spicy scallops, but not too crazy spicy, right? This piece must be good. Big lobster inside, please.
So,
Let me tell you one thing, everyone out there. This is probably one of the best rolls I've ever had.
yes.
The scallops are super fresh. They're just blanched at the right moment. They're not overdone. You got a little spice mayo in there. The texture of the lobster is so soft and juicy, so succulent.
Yeah, tempura is always, of course, oil temperature too, but also you have to really see. Overcook is always no good.
This is absolutely one of my top 3 rolls I've had in this studio, Hiro. So good. And the spicy milk with a little misago, give it a little texture on there. Wow. You guys, please try it at home. Tag us on Instagram so we can show it to everyone else.
I'm very glad to live here. And I came here. I'm so lucky guy in the world because I just knocked the door over there and he invited me. So I
saw
can
him
die tomorrow.
We actually saw him selling water downstairs.
Today I should
we
make,
decided to
I
invite
should
him
make a
upstairs.
cockroach roll today.
Okay.
I should make.
For the future. So good, right? Oh yeah. Let me tell you guys, honestly, here I'm not saying that. I don't need to tell you how good the food you make is. This is honestly one of the best rolls I've ever had inside the studio. Please, people, try this at home. You can thank us later. All from Walmart.
Yes, from the Walmart.
Yep. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, Wadanami, for stopping in. We'll see you soon.
Yes.
Arigato.
はい、夏これで終わりです。あと食べて、まだ他に来るからね。
This is so good. This